Hi guys, welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, of course, or maybe Hong Kong time, Beijing time, we are going to share with you one very potential market instrument that is going to carry a lot of positive price movement for the week. Alright, and this price counter, it could be a stock, it could be an ETF, it could be a forex, or it could be just anything that comes from any exchanges around the world. So Monday morning, regardless what you're doing at 9 a.m. Singapore time, remember to log on and watch us. Continue to share this video, subscribe to us. Alright, share, and hopefully we are all on the highway to happiness and wealth. OTOP is right here waiting for you, and I will be right back. This is the OTOP 50, alright, episode 50, which is the 50th week that we are doing this OTOP episodes on every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, Malaysia time, Hong Kong time, or China, Beijing time. Alright, and this OTOP 50 is for the week 19 July year 2021. As usual, don't forget to like us, subscribe to us, and share this video out after you watch it with the friends and people that you care for them. Alright, so this OTOP episode 50 is again very special, and stay tuned with us for just 10 minutes, and we are going to share with you one very interesting counter this week, which is a mobile company. Stay tuned with us. Alright, as usual, we'll go through very quickly on what happened on last Friday, alright, in the US market, and what we shared last week, and progressively where is this counter going before we touch on today's subject. Alright, on last Friday, US market closed a little bit on the downside. Dow Jones closed at negative 299, okay, 229 points, and S&P was down 32 points, and Nasdaq also settled lower with 115 points losses. Alright, some people might say that this is a correction, a quick correction in fact, and we are still looking at the US triple indexes potentially could be moving up and scaling to new record high almost towards the end July or early August, in lieu of the US new stimulus to be rolling out. But in fact, I think for the next 2 weeks until the end July, we're going to have the earnings report from large companies like Netflix, which is coming on 20th, this coming Tuesday, and followed by Microsoft on 22nd, Apple over the month end, Google and Tesla in early August. And all these earnings reports from the large company are potentially going to bring up the US stock indexes, especially these three triple indexes, again on a bull rise. Alright, so stay tuned with it, and alright, keep focusing on the US market. Okay, let's take a look at what we shared about last week. And on last Monday, okay, in the OTOP 49, we actually shared on this Hong Kong stock 0347, which is the Ankang Steel. Alright, if you look at this, alright, congratulations for those people who has picked up this counter and perhaps make some money. Alright, and this 0347 is slightly going to move higher, but in a slow manner. Alright, this week there could be some sideways, but eventually Ankang Steel is still a good counter to go long, because it follows faithfully on the rising gold prices if we are looking at US dollars on a weakening trend for this second half of year 2021. Alright, this is a day chart. Very quickly, we just want to show you on a money chart on this 0347 in Hong Kong. And if we look at this, alright, the market just turned up a couple of months back, and in the long run, we truly foresee that as long as gold prices, alright, gold prices is recovering, gold prices are going to be strong, I think Ankang Steel has got a lot of potential on the upside here. Alright, which we are not going to give a forecast on where the top might go up to over the year end, but you could actually potentially take a look at this topside room, which is very potential. Alright, this week OTOP 50. What are we going to talk about right now? Okay, stay tuned with us. And before we want to talk to you on what is the stock we want to talk about, I want to show you this news which was released sometime last week on the 16th July. In fact, that was just last Friday. Okay, the Chinese phone maker Xiaomi, alright, Xiaomi has actually overtaken Apple, and now it is the second largest phone selling company in the world. Alright, if you look at this, so this is in fact very encouraging, and we are going to pay a lot of attention on Xiaomi phone maker. Alright, which the stock, when we actually look into Hong Kong, it is 1810, and this is exactly what we want to show with you for this OTOP 50. Alright, let's take a look at the Xiaomi stock prices here, and that might be very appetizing to you. Okay, here it is. Ta-da! 1810 Xiaomi Corporation, which is listed in Hong Kong. If you take a look at this day chart, alright, nothing much to explain. If you look at this chart, I believe everyone who has been following our OTOP for the last 49 weeks, alright, in fact more than half of all the recommendations that was done by us on every Monday morning 9 a.m. Singapore time has been pretty accurate and very fruitful to all of you, and we are actually following on the change of momentum with the EMA 420 and 200 averaging lines. Alright, and if you look at this day chart, on a Friday there was a big spike up. Alright, in fact I think perhaps Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday there could be some sideways or consolidation, but alright, this counter 1810, alright, listen up, 1810 is definitely on a rising trend. Okay, in fact, and if you look at this momentum, it is nearing to the zero line and moving into positive. Okay, from the day chart, if we change the time scale to 4-hour chart, in fact I think it has actually shown the beginning of an up move. Alright, which I think that's very encouraging, and everybody should be paying attention on 1810, especially with the news of Xiaomi going to is now the second largest phone maker and has bypassed Apple. Alright, if you look at the month chart, okay, it's pretty encouraging. So if you are talking about this month itself, I would think this month, well, this could be the top at $29 or $30 Hong Kong dollars. Alright, definitely it is inside. And if this month it could be pretty strong, next month it could continue to go up higher on August and September. Alright, before we sign off, I want to just quickly show you one of my favorite way, which is very simple. Okay, this is one way of developing a channel line. Alright, so if you look at this channel, I think a channel speaks 1,000 words. Alright, so definitely I think it will be wise, okay, and more fruitful to go long into the market than to try to sell out the stocks. Alright, Xiaomi 1810 is for this week, OTOP 50, which is OTOP 50 for the week 19 July year 2021, and this is the DW World Equity Time. We welcome you to join us on every Monday morning 9 a.m. Singapore time, and stay tuned. We shall be back on next week. Bye bye.